Hope you guys are doing well. So continuing on our journey, today we would try to understand. So we will try to we'll see a Figma, and then we will try to build a clone. So basically, this is Netflix Figma. It's already available in the community section. So we will try to build this, and the way to drag it left and right, you need to press the space bar and then you get the hand, and then to need to zoom in you need to do alt and zoom in. Okay, so this is basically, we have the fonts as well, border styles, we have the icon set as well, we have logos. Oh yeah, we have the logos as well. So, and yeah, this, if I go to, yeah, let's zoom in on this thing. So this is like the logo set we have. So you have this large medium set, then you have the smaller one, and then even smaller. Then you have content badges top 10. Again, this is all movable, right? Okay, does it let me? Yeah, this is all. So this is the global icon set. You can have everything. For example, Netflix plus this is the, what do you say, the initial login screen that you get, right? And then let's zoom out. Again, this is how the bar should look. So large buttons. So whenever you're using large buttons, so this is like what sizing and thing should be over here. Okay, so first let's try to let's create a new project over here. Let's go to Xcode. Let's get rid of this thing. Let's have this thing here. Let's open Xcode. Let's create a new project. Let's do app, and then let's go to next. Yeah, let's name it as Netflix. I'm spelling it wrong. Perfect. Let's go to create. So this is the initial setup, right? Let's go to assets. Let's go to new folder. No, let's create a new folder. So let's rename this as, let's double click and there. Let's say this is the color set that we'll be using. Double click on this. Okay, and then inside this we'll be adding a new color set, and then appearance. That's to be none. Let's go back to Figma. A lot of back and forth. First is basically adding these. So I have this is red. Okay. This is a red light one, right? But then the thing is, this is the red light one, and yeah, this is not properly done. Anyways, it's okay. So let's have this color set being the, let's go to copy, open yeah. Now the color palette has come, right? You can make it to let's do show color panel, and then here, oh, this is sliders, right? Do you have the option of directly giving it RGB? Okay, what we can do is let's open color picker. Color picker will do. So I have the Xcode here, right? So I can paste, and then okay, let's on this thing. Okay, so this is the RGB values, right? And copy, get back to our X. This is the, so I had the, okay, let's go to RGB slider itself. Oh yeah, the hex code can be entered directly. That is good. So let's paste it. Oh, I just need the hex code, right? So let's go. Let's close this thing. Let's go back. Just uh, and let's paste it over here. So you paste it. So this is, and then let's rename this to like, this is color red. And then we need more thing, right? So we are going to add new image, or not image. Let's delete this thing. So we need to add a new colors. Oh, what happened? Let's get rid of this color set. Let's go back to Figma. Then now this is dark red, right? So you just do a copy. This is red dark one. So let's go back to Xcode. This is red dark one. Oh, I hope everything is coming in. Oh, let's move it inside this. Let's make this as done. Let's click on this. Let us include the color panel as open. Just paste this thing. Okay. Let's add a new color set. Now in this as well, if you see, there are different. Okay, I can add in a okay, add a new folder here. Put everything this is basically primary, whatever is there, right? Yeah, primary is this red. So let's name this thing as primary. So let's add this thing as, and then let's get back to our, so the next thing we have is neutral. So neutral we have so many. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, a lot of back and forth. So let's create a new folder here, and let's call this as neutral. Now inside this we are going to, okay, add in a color set. So you add in a new color set, and then this is going to be, just click on this, and then yeah, the color panel is open. So let's go back. Let's get this gray shade. Okay, yeah, let's paste it here. Next color we have is gray dark. Okay, so this is gray dark one, right? Let's go back. New color set. This is gray. Is this one or it says gray dark one? This is gray dark one. You come here, make this as none. Double click, and then add the hex code here. Then you do gray dark 2. So you come here, go to hex code, add a, make this as none, and then double click on this. This is gray dark 2. So let's gray dark. Let's add this. Basically, we are first structuring the folder, then so that when we need to use these colors, then it is. So this is gray dark 3, right? Let's go this. Yeah, actually, I mean the. Let's make it none. So this is again, but then we need to rename it as. So you come this or double click on this. Okay, it's happening. Yeah, this is gray dark. So I have gray dark 3 over here, and let's close this box. Okay, let's yeah. Now you have black, right? So this is the typical black color. Okay. So you come here, do a new color set. I don't think so. This should go. Oh, because inside we already have a black. So will the rule go inside is okay, black. We don't need this because yeah, this we will get by default. So let's go. I'm not adding that color. Black. White also you will get. Let's add gray white. Gray light 3. So let's add this. This colors we want. White is available, I know. So do a new color set. Okay, make it none. And then paste. So this is what's the name? Gray light. So this is gray light. Let's come back here. Double click. Make it gray light and then 3. Or make it. This is not 3. This is yeah. Then we have one more red gray light. Oh, this is gray light 3. This is 2, and that is 1. Okay. Let's add in a color set and say this is gray light 2. Let's make the appearance as none. Okay. Double click and then let's rename this to 3. Okay. Okay. And let's gray light 1. So come here. Add in a new color set. Name it as gray light. So you make this as none. Double click and paste and enter. So yeah, 3 varieties of gray I have. The next is system red, system blue. Okay. So let's make this. So I need a new folder, right? Let's add. So let's close this. Let's have inside this add in a new folder and say this is system. Let's move this inside the color. All we need to let's add it over here. I say new folder and then system color. So let's add a new color set, and let's make this as none. So this is system red, right? Do a copy. Let's get back to this. And then let's add in a new color set. Let's make this. Let's get back to. And then let's what did we name this? Let's say what it is. This is system red, system blue. Okay. Then you make this as system hyphen. Yes, so this is going to be. Oh, what happened? Oh, is this isn't selected? Yeah. And then let's rename this as the system red. So you have system red, system blue, and just double click and name this as okay. So right now we have the colors ready. Right. So the color is ready here. Next thing that we need is let's add in the fonts. So for fonts, okay. So I have you have Lentrix Sans Lifestyle. So this is uh, uh, yeah, we need to add, and then we need the logos can come in the. Okay, so what we can do is let's get the. So let's do a copy, but then how are we going to have this in? Oh, here is the. I need to get this image right. Is there any option to? What if I do a paste? When this is without the tint, right? Well, let's see how we can add a custom font. So let's go to. So we have already got the colors now. We are going to. Yeah. So there is uh, yeah, custom font. Yeah, so let's go on the font section. Let's zoom in on this. Oh, this is Netflix. Okay. No, but what's the if I go so he's saying that okay, let's go here. And do I get anything like font family? Let's click on this. So I went typography. So this is typography here. Okay. And then this is layout, position, stroke. No, how to um, so Now how to check this thing? So he's saying click on the typography layer. This is the typography layer, right? And then mm, okay, I can do one thing. This should give me the style. Oh, so this is Netflix, and so if you uh let's go to Google Fonts, and then let's check if you have this font. Let's only copy this. But uh we need to search it for iOS, right? Let me check here. How does this work though? So But the thing is, we need to define that Netflix, right? Those fonts need to be mentioned somewhere. Okay, so there is something called as Interlight that is available on Google Fonts. So will be easy trying to use. Okay, let's go to fonts. Let's search for this. Do we have? Yeah, we need to add this folder maybe. Oh, the thing is, these fonts are custom made. So, uh, this thing use raw Interlight. I don't think so. Is a good. I feel Roboto is still better. I need to download, right? No, there should be an option to. Okay. Yeah, get font. And then I need to. Okay, I'm having a Roboto, and then there is. I guess, okay, one more thing, right? That I can do is. This is enter. But oh yeah, the first thing. Yeah, even this is cool. No, I need Interlight or something. This is the best way to have the font. Also, Inter by yeah, that is something. Yeah, I did download this, right? So let's go to our downloads. Oh, I didn't download it. Why is this coming as Roboto? Oh, let's click on Enter. This is Enter by uh You know what? Let's have the let's yeah, let's get rid of this. And then let's only search for enter. Yeah, we need this. Let's go on get font, download all. Okay, let's save it. I have the zip file, right? Let's open click the zip. Yeah, so but then with it, yeah. So this is so I have the .tda files with me right now. Okay, now so we have it. Uh, let's get this thing now. And I need to have it set up, right? So I have the TTF file, right? So if you click on this, so this is the TTF and then the readme, right? So I have for both enter and enter, right? Now, so let's go to our Xcode. We need to go to plist, right? So I forgot where was the plist. Uh, find. Uh, oh, this has to be placed. So this is where we are going to embed our API key as well, right? Oh yeah, so let's go to navigate and then uh no, let's just click on this file. Oh, something happened. Why did I miss? Yeah, we can do that thing later. Let's go to navigate. Okay, and then uh there should be a info tab. I don't know. Yeah, I got the info tab, and then inside the info tab, I scroll down to find there's something info.plist, but this is on. Where is the so I'm at my top level. Oh, this, and then now scroll down to is saying, oh, there is info. And then do I have, so this is under build, no, so just click on this and this is under the info tag. Info, oh yeah, I have this build name, okay. Yeah, I have to click on this, so click on this and then uh, so inside packaging, but this has, there's nothing opening here though. There's nothing in here. Let me check, wait. Info.plist. Uh, because I don't have that file here, I guess. Yeah, this is the root, right? Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay, I got. So now you do a right click and then, oh yeah, so now you do right click, open as source code. Yes, I have the bundle, right? Yeah, I got the info list file open right now. And then, also the first time you need to click on URL. And then now what I need to do is we need to add this, right? Okay, so I have the array and then save the date. So we need to create a key and then a dict, right? So let's add this thing down. Uh, yeah, we need this. So let's. Okay, so let's. Yeah, you'll be putting it over here. So you do it over here. Paste this thing. Let's make sure that. So this has to be exactly same. So there is a. Okay, just hold on. There is this dict key which is going to come in. Oh, so this has to be placed inside. Yeah, you have to place this inside this dict. Let's push this. Yeah. But just let us make sure that uh the TTA file's name should match, right? So let's go back to let's we downloaded it over here, right? Okay, let's have that TTF. This has to be what we are going to match. This is, are we matching this? What's the, yeah, I need this thing. So this has to match exactly. That's what he's trying to say. Anyone, if you do here, uh, you do get info. No, we need the name to be the right. So this is, so we did download Roboto as well, I feel. Okay, this is, yeah. So let's get this file as well. Okay, let's close the string. And then you have one more Roboto, right? And then we, okay, let's do a copy. Yeah, we need this as well. So it has to be TTF. I guess. Let's get rid of. Yeah, make sure we are copying the correct thing, right? This is, okay. Let's copy and let's paste. And then did we add the basic one as well? Or we add this as well, right? And let's go to info and then let's add in another string. We need two, right? We need one there. So one is for the normal and the other is for variable, right? So you come in, this is variable, this is italic. So let's, oh yeah, finally it has come back. Did it? got removed or something. Side enter add variable, right? Let's add only the, somehow the other one got deleted. I can always restore it back. Yeah, this has to come from. Let's close this string. And then the trash, right? So let's get to our trash. Why is in the trash? Oh, let's restore this thing. Oh, there's no option to restoring. That's bad. Can we just? Oh, it has come. So this is the italic version, right? Oh yeah, let's get rid of this. Okay. I guess what has happened is that this has to be dot here. Now I've added the fonts in my. I've got the fonts. Now let's see how to test it. Is what we want to check, right? Also, let's go back to our content view, and then so if this is, do I have that option of okay, and then this has to be, is it the, so is it the same name? Also, this is going to be my name. Okay, so let's have this as copy. So is it able to find that thing? So I'm getting some error here. Missing argument. Oh, size is what we need, right? So you do say added a size. So you do say 10. I want to check if it's going to work because I doubt. So if I get rid of this, okay, there is some change, and then okay, so I've got my font ready over here. Let's get back to our Figma. So this is 12 pixels in size, right? So it is light caption to, caption to is what we already have. So I have Netflix. First is light styles, then you have medium. So when I do medium, what am I? I have to make it bold and labelable, and then this is. So how to Is it in pixels? Yeah, so there is stand. Okay, so right now we are just saying, but I need point size, right? I don't need pixels. I need. Yeah, so for we are just going to use pixels as pt. So we are assuming that one pixel is one pt. So like if it's like 32, then we are going to add it as 32. So if I give it as light and caption 2, okay, let's get back here. So we need to make this as uh caption 2, right? So you can do this. No, I needed a that too. I needed a caption 2. So let's. Oh yeah, we need. This is a enum, right? So I don't know dot. The right way was is to add in a relative to thing. So you do this and then you make. Okay, let's make it say. Yeah, let's make it bold. Uh. Oh yeah. So we can just add this. Okay, I need a parenthesis probably over there. And if I want to make it bold, just make it bold. So, and then you do command control P to refresh. It hasn't changed. I don't know why. Also, I need to get the bold as well. This is only light, right? Let's go back to Google Fonts. But then let's. Oh, we need to get the bold version as well. Also, he has mentioned. So I need Is this thing also available? So this caption 2 is something that is already there, and label 3 and label 2 is going to be the right. So I need the bowl and the pixels here. Now when I say 10 pixels, so basically is 10 pixel is almost equivalent to 10 pt, right? So I need to so I need to go to well fonts. There is bold, right? Oh wait, so I need to give it a font weight here. And this has to be it's what, sans, right? Sans medium. Yeah, so it has to be light. uh so if I need to go inter light styles, then so we need this on Google Fonts, right? So interlight, okay, so when you go to google.com, and then so this is okay, let's go to look for uh is trying to say is for us to look interlight. There is no interlight though. Is this the weight or something? No. So let's go to, okay, let's only enter this. So the moment you have this thing entered, so a lot of options will come down, right? Plus we need it to be sans. There should be a plus icon over here. I don't know. Let's go and reset all. Where is the plus icon? So Netflix has, okay, it has done some in-house. Okay, this is proprietary. So he has this. Oh, did it? Oh no, yeah. Let me see if it's the original font that has come here. Um, let's go to. Let's open this in the folder is here, I guess. Oh yeah, so I've already have this is Netflix Sans. Netflix Lite. Okay, let's install this. Why shouldn't we? Uh, oh, this is not a good way. What I can do is I can just copy, and then this has to be. Oh, let's get rid of all of this. Then we don't need this. We can add directly that, right? So let's check if it's looking. Oh, you know what? Instead of deleting all, let's keep only one. Let's check if it's working here because I'm not sure how good the. So right now this won't work, right? So I need the. I can anytime rename this, right? Okay, anyways. Right now let's give it Netflix. This is as close to as we can get. Okay, get info. Yeah, I need this name. Uh, oh yeah, it's opened here. And then this is. Yeah, let's try to get as close to it as possible. And then I need that size thing, right? So let size be 10. Yeah. No, I have this. So I have font. One for font. It's not easy saying. Oh, one more is missing. No exact match. There's some error just coming. Okay, there is no exact match for this. Did I add it in my info playlist? No, let's save this thing once. No exact matches in a call to static method custom. Hmm. But then I did get that in the playlist, right? Oh, this has to be dot OTF, I believe. What's the name of the file? Wait, it has to be. This has to be info, and then let's get this thing here. Let's go to our playlist. So the time we have, do we have to? Yeah, I guess now what's happening is it has to be matched exactly. But then right now, incorrect label. Expect. Oh, I missed E over here. So now it's working. So this is how, oh, I can have the Figma and this open side by side maybe. So if it's, yeah, it's very much similar. Then do I have this as well on the net? So Netflix, Sans Light. Then do I have Netflix uh Medium? There should be somewhere because generally this is medium, you have regular, you have light. It's oh, this is cool. And then I need bold. So I need yeah, let's open the, let's get back here. And then it's regular. How to add the bold? Bold. I don't think so. We should have the bold as well. So we basically have gotten all the files as well. This is just on. So we have the Netflix Sans Medium, Sans Light, and bold. So let's add this and let's get the, yeah, this thing is not needed. Let's trash it out. Trash. I can add that in a folder, but that's okay. So let's get, oh, light. We already have the light, right? So it's just hyphen bold and hyphen medium. Let's go back to our, yeah, project. Let's close this. This is SF, I guess. Where is our project? Hmm. Oh, I guess here is the project. And then let's go to the plist. Let's do, and then let's paste this thing to the, oh, shift comma, oh no. Yeah, right now the best thing is to do this. And we need one more. It's the only difference is this is uh medium and this is bold. Yeah, that's the, whenever we're using it we need to make sure we are giving it a proper name. We're using the same, that was my downloads. There has to be a download. Let's get rid of, let's get rid of, let's say obvious actor. I don't need this. Let's close this. Yeah, so desktop, and then when we come to, yeah, let's, this is sans hyphen medium, sans hyphen light, sans hyphen bold. You can add that in a folder, but so if you see info, then it will show you what type of file it is. It's basically a uh, uh, yeah, it's an open type font. So it's giving that. Basically, it's a font file. Let's close this. So right now we have got the colors, we have got the font as well. What else do we need? So typography is done. Now thing is icons, right? We need to add this. The icons. Hmm. So we have so many of them. So right now we are on UI atoms. Okay, from Figma, how should I get? There is any export section? Do I have? So if I click on this, yeah, I guess this is all for this video. We'll continue with, it's become a very big video, so I will try to cover that in another one. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.